Here's a conversation focused on daily life and school days with questions and answers suitable for English beginners. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have cereal and milk.
How do you get to school?
I take the bus to school.
What time does school start?
School starts at 8:30 a.m.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Who is your best friend at school?
My best friend is Sarah.
Do you have a favorite teacher?
Yes, my favorite teacher is Mr. Smith.
What do you do during recess?
I play with my friends during recess.
Do you eat lunch at school?
Yes, I eat lunch at school.
What do you usually have for lunch?
I usually have a sandwich and fruit.
What time does school end?
School ends at 3 p.m.
Do you have homework every day?
Yes, I usually have homework every day.
How long does it take you to finish your homework?
It takes me about an hour.
What do you do after school?
I usually play soccer after school.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like painting.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I watch TV after dinner.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9:30 p.m.
Do you read books before sleeping?
Yes, I read a book before sleeping.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What is your dog's name?
My dog's name is Max.
What do you do on weekends?
I like to go to the park on weekends.
Do you visit your grandparents?
Yes, I visit them every Sunday.
Do you have a favorite holiday?
Yes, my favorite holiday is Christmas.
What do you like to do on holidays?
I like to travel with my family.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What is your brother's name?
My brother's name is John.
Do you help with chores at home?
Yes, I help with washing dishes.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite flavor is chocolate.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
How often do you practice the piano?
I practice the piano every day.
Do you like to draw or paint?
Yes, I like to draw.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I like to sing in the shower.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Let It Be.
Do you have a garden at home?
Yes, we have a small garden.
What do you grow in your garden?
We grow tomatoes and flowers.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I play video games on weekends.
What is your favorite video game?
My favorite video game is Minecraft.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I love swimming.
Where do you swim?
I swim at the local pool.
Do you like to ride a bicycle?
Yes, I ride my bicycle in the park.
Do you have a favorite movie?
Yes, my favorite movie is Toy Story.
Do you like to go to the cinema?
Yes, I like to go to the cinema with my friends.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, my best friend is Anna.
Do you play sports after school?
Yes, I play basketball after school.
Do you have a favorite athlete?
Yes, my favorite athlete is LeBron James.
Do you help your parents in the kitchen?
Yes, I help my parents cook dinner.
Do you have a favorite dessert?
Yes, my favorite dessert is cake.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I like to go shopping with my mom.
Do you have a favorite store?
Yes, my favorite store is the toy store.
Do you like to wear hats?
Yes, I like to wear hats in the summer.
Do you like to wear sneakers?
Yes, I always wear sneakers.
Do you have a school uniform?
Yes, we have a school uniform.
What color is your school uniform?
Our school uniform is blue and white.
Do you like your school uniform?
Yes, I like my school uniform.
Do you have art classes at school?
Yes, we have art classes on Fridays.
What do you do in art class?
We draw and paint in art class.
Do you have music classes at school?
Yes, we have music classes every Wednesday.
What do you learn in music class?
We learn to play instruments and sing.
Do you have a library at school?
Yes, we have a big library at school.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I love to read books.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
Do you have a science lab at school?
Yes, we have a science lab at school.
What do you do in the science lab?
We do experiments in the science lab.
Do you have computer classes at school?
Yes, we have computer classes on Mondays.
What do you learn in computer class?
We learn to use different software programs.
Do you like to play with your friends?
Yes, I love playing with my friends.
Do you have a favorite game to play with friends?
Yes, I like to play tag with my friends.
Do you like to draw pictures?
Yes, I like to draw pictures of animals.
What is your favorite animal to draw?
My favorite animal to draw is a cat.
Do you have a favorite animal?
Yes, my favorite animal is a dog.
Do you like to go to the zoo?
Yes, I like to go to the zoo to see the animals.
What is your favorite zoo animal?
My favorite zoo animal is the elephant.
Do you have a park near your house?
Yes, there is a park near my house.
What do you do at the park?
I play on the swings and slide at the park.
Do you like to have picnics?
Yes, I love to have picnics with my family.
What do you bring to a picnic?
We bring sandwiches, fruit, and drinks to a picnic.
Do you have a birthday party every year?
Yes, I have a birthday party every year.
What do you do at your birthday party?
We play games and eat cake at my birthday party.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I love to go to the beach in the summer.
What do you do at the beach?
I swim and build sandcastles at the beach.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel to new places.
Where do you want to travel next?
I want to travel to Paris next.
Do you have a favorite season?
Yes, my favorite season is summer.
Why do you like summer?
I like summer because it's warm and sunny.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I like winter because of the snow.
Do you play in the snow?
Yes, I like to build snowmen and have snowball fights.
Do you like to drink hot chocolate?
Yes, I love to drink hot chocolate in winter.
Do you celebrate Halloween?
Yes, I celebrate Halloween by dressing up in costumes.
What is your favorite Halloween costume?
My favorite Halloween costume is a superhero.
Do you like to carve pumpkins?
Yes, I like to carve funny faces on pumpkins.
Do you celebrate Thanksgiving?
Yes, we celebrate Thanksgiving with a big dinner.
What do you eat for Thanksgiving dinner?
We eat turkey, mashed potatoes, and pie.
Do you help with the Thanksgiving preparations?
Yes, I help set the table for Thanksgiving dinner.
I hope these questions and answers are helpful for English beginners.